See, brother, sister, worry no dey solve anything. God, see, before a child was born or was put into your mother belly, God have written what that child will be. Anything that God have written, no man can cancel it. That is one thing you will believe. Others say destiny can be delayed, but no one can deny destiny. All these things where you see, they think they all around. If God don't ordain you, don't written say you go dey 150 years. My brother, let me tell you something. They go, they throw, do everything. As practice is a destiny keeper. Nothing go happen to you. Only suffer. Where they go, they suffer the body. But the spirit must stay till that date. If God have destiny you that you will be a rich man or a rich woman, nothing enemy can do. That is one thing you will believe. They can change it for that time, for that moment. But immediately God said, this is the time. No matter what power, no matter what spell, anything, God will separate them. The destiny will separate them. The destiny helper will separate them. The thing will come through. If God don't destiny you with many children, my brother, as he do for Abraham, nothing go make him. But thing go delay. But nothing go change him. So, my topic, my advice is, what you need to apply is faith. The word of God, the word of faith. It is a word of encouragement. When you believe with this thing I'm telling you now, that God, there is somebody that hold your destiny. Your destiny is not in the hands of any man or woman. It's not in the hands of your family or your mother or your father. Your destiny is not in the hands of your pastor or dibia or your brother or your friend, no matter whoever. The destiny helper, when he say it have ripe, my brother, no matter wherever they hang it, he go plug them down. Believe said, before you was born, God knows your name. Now God will carry you go put for the place where you like, your mother womb. Now God will carry you out. Now God protect you. And as you they grow, your destiny they follow you, they go. And anybody where people they suffer too much, they jealous too much, they knack juju too much. Check yourself very well. Your destiny is brighter than their own. Nah, they need to jealous somebody where no be anything. What do you need to do? You now apply what? Wisdom and faith. You now apply wisdom and faith. Faith is something that you do not see, you believe. As I'm talking to you now, if you close your heart, believe, say, who bring you into this world, you know, if he allow you suffer shame. When you come believe, say, Odera Chukuma or Digurum, anyhow, God will keep me or want me, if in good for him, saying good for you. My brother, there is no time where you know the ripe. Some people even ripe for their own age. Now their children will go come make them wet. That is they enjoy waiting they never enjoy before. No matter the time, believe say your destiny is not in that man's hand. No be that woman hold am. Na God. Waiting they try is just they try. But who that hand that brought you into the world. You know the fellow. Now, covenant keeper. My brother, wake up today. Have faith. Believe that someone knows your name. There is someone that brought you into this world. And always believe in that word. And believe that no one will change what God planned on you. If God say you no go die prematurely, no fit. If God say no one go harm you, see, they go do, suffer you, but nothing go do you. That is God. That is what they call destiny keeper, destiny helper. Now it be impossibility possible. But some people they carry fear, they put you. Somebody go come, they tell you, say you go see. Now him be your God. Somebody go tell you no go make him. You come the fear, you come the afraid. Now him create you, now him bring you. Now him who your destiny. Person go tell you say you go die, you come the afraid. Person go tell you say nothing go make you make him in life. Except now him be God. He know where your destiny is there. No be all these things whether they cram, they call them say earthly wisdom. Earthly wisdom. My brother, make I tell you, anything God don't write down. You know they see poor person where they pick the bottle, back, God don't make them waiting him be. You know see president will be this thing. Good luck Jonathan will be a teacher. The God come put them for president. Nothing will know they possible. God they transfer. Now destiny helper. If you want jump, you go jump all those you all of them go put mouth, they look you. They take them on away. They no go know self. Make una know the weak on self, my brother. Man no be God. Man no be God. I beg, man no be God. This is why they tell you say, man no be God. Believe that one. I beg I don't know what to say again. Man no be God. Listen to this. Gịnị ka Chineke dị n'isi gị? Gịnị ka o dị n'isi gị? Ekele dịrị gị, Reverend Dr. Mbakog. Ịbụkwana onye nna. Ife Chineke dị odego ya. That is that is there's nothing to do. Ndebe anyị. Okwu agwụgwọ nwa mmiri ejikwa nwa wọ n'ọnụ. Okwu agwụgwọ m n'ọnụ. O nwere ntị? Ya ghọta ihe a na-eme. O nwere uche? Ya mee gị, ya tinye uche